So if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, I'll be so happy to see you subscribe. Usain Bolt will be also happy to see you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So as at the time I heard what people are saying about Johan Blake for failing to qualify for Budapest, I was very sad and my eyes were filled with tears. Like, we fans are the problems of these superstars and athletes. Whenever these athletes do not tend to perform as the way we want them to perform, like they don't perform, they don't give us the result we are expecting from them, we started kind of feeling like they are not enough, they are not doing what they have to do to please us. We started dragging them online. Why do we have to do that? Johan Blake might not have qualified for Budapest, but why have we suddenly forgot what Johan Blake has done to Jamaican track and field? Not just Jamaican track and field, a lot of young rising athletes in the world look up to this man as their role model in athletics. So why is it that when these superstars do not tend to perform, we started calling their names, we started dragging them online, we started behaving as if they were never once a superstar. Johan Blake is a superstar, guys. He has won a lot of Olympic and World Athletic gold medalists. So why is it that just because he failed to qualify, we started feeling like they are not enough? We started kind of making them feel low of themselves, like they are